welcome in a quick review under 2 minutes. So what are the pros? Combat is stylish, fast and satisfying. Great animation and flashy abilities. It's really true to the anime and manga. Crafting and upgrading gears feels rewarding. Playable fan service or solo leveling fans. Co-op missions, good visual quality. Music and sound effects also are great. And no gacha system. And story moments also are great and are like epic. So these are the pros. But what about the cons you can expect from the game? Always online requirement. Be aware of it. For mostly single player game, disconnections can kick you out mid-mission. Repetitive level design. Many areas look similar or recycled. Gameplay loop can get grindy after finishing the main story. UI feels like it's ported for mobile, not built for PC. Also, co-op can be unstable with bugs and lag, and there can be sometimes like the FPS issue, and short main story comparing to typical action RPGs. So, and there is not much depth in the storytelling, and can feel like an expanded mobile game rather than a fully original PC title. So, that's for you, straight up, saving you time. Hope this video provided value if you want to get the game, and thank you very much, and have a great day and goodbye.